Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to register for an Adfly account. So first you need to search for Adfly and you'll get the official website of Adfly, and then you need to click on this join now. You can also check out the link in the description below to this website, and you have to fill this completely. And you have to select your link shrinker and type out the password, and have to verify the human check, and then you have to agree here and have to join. Then this screen will pop up that we have sent an email to your email address. So next you have to check out the email address that they have sent here. So this is one confusing I wanna say there's no email from the Adfly, but there will be in the junk section. Yeah, see in the spam there is one inbox, so that is from Adfly. Yeah, many will get confused in this step. So what you next need to do is that they have provided a link here, so you need to copy this and open in a new tab. Then we'll get an verification page. So then you have to also copy this code above next to that and paste it on it and confirm registration. Yup, account confirmed, and this is how you log in and register to your account, and you can now log in up and it's freely for use. Wait, I'll show. So now I can use this site and earn from Adfly account for links. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope it helpful, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.